I'm thinking it's never too early to get to Friday afternoon and get finished work. Right, I've got a big day planned tomorrow. I'm putting the rest of this concrete base down, so I've got an order coming in the morning. I've just got an AM delivery. I'm hoping it's going to be the first delivery about 8, half 8, something like that. I've got cement, reinforcing wire and river sand and a few other bits coming tomorrow morning. What I want to do tonight is Friday. I've just finished work. It's about 10 to 6 actually. I've just had my tea. What I want to do is the last minute sort of preparation. I found a load of these stainless steel rods in a skip the other day, so I'm going to use them to do some of the prep, but I'm going to do the hard stuff first, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the rest of these. Well, not the rest of them, because I've got about 150 of these 50 packets of 3, and I'll show you my idea what I'm going to use these for. Another thing I've got to do, rather than using a hose pipe and standing there with a hose squirting it into the mixer, it's a lot quicker if you use a bucket, scoop it out of a drum like this and tip it straight in. Just saves a few seconds, but you know, over the course of 50 or 60 mixes that might add up. I ain't used this since the last time I did some concreting, so it's full, and as you can see the bucket's a bit gammy, and I can't obviously carry it down full, so I'm going to have to empty it. So the plants are going to get a watering. It's been a nice day, they need it. Been a lovely day today. One of the hottest days of the year so far. No point watering weeds. Right, that's used a bit of it, but nowhere near enough. Let's see if I can move it and tip it out there. Yes. No, I'm gonna have to take a bit more out first. This could go horribly wrong. It ain't so bad. As luck would have it, I've got this little ramp I built a few weeks ago. I've got 30 bags of cement ordered for tomorrow, but I've got a couple of bags left over from a couple of months ago, so I'm going to use these first. I think they'll still be alright. We'll find out tomorrow. If they're no good I won't use them, but I think they'll be alright. I've got my cement mixer there ready to go, but I'm not going to take that down until tomorrow, and it's an electric cement mixer, so I've also got my extension cable plugged in ready to go. I just need to feed it through that window in the morning. Right, here we go. I'm putting a concrete base down here tomorrow, but these 3 wooden posts are holding up some decking that I've got up there. Now I'm not going to take these posts out, but I am going to concrete round them. But what I want to do, because I'm not sure how well compacted this earth is, you always get some sinkage, and I don't want these posts sinking over time. So what I want to do is use these stainless steel rods to put through these posts here, like this and like that. So that when I concrete up to this 4-inch, that I've got a rod going each way through there that should stop it sinking. I know it's not going to stop it rotting, but it will help, I'm sure. So what I've got this long bit here, so I'm just going to drill straight through there. Well, I am if my battery lasts. I'll just get a new battery. I'm not surprised it's gone really. I've been using that battery all day. Does anybody else's Makita do this? It doesn't slow down at all. This Makita, it just stops. The battery's gone, just stops. There's no slow down, there's no loss of power. That's the first you know when it stops working. Right, so straight in the middle. There you go, all 4 done. Right, I'm thinking that's a really brilliant use for them stainless steel rods. For those that didn't see it, I made a video last week explaining where I got these. I found them in a skip and I made some out of them, so I'll leave a link to that video below. So if you want to see what I made with some more of these, you can have a look at that. They come in a 3-pack. One has got a spike on the end and the other 2 have just got a threaded end and they're screwed together. But yeah, I'm thinking that's a really good use for them. I think that'll help massively. So under that, under them wooden posts, where they touch the ground, they're sat on stone and there's rubble behind them, so there's plenty of drainage. So I'm thinking it'll be a long time before they rot. And even if they do rot, you know, I'll address that when it comes to it. I just at the moment I ain't got the time or the money to start replacing posts. I've spent enough on this patio base. But you know, what could be better? 6:30 on a Friday night, finished work for the week. It's a beautiful day. I'm out in my garden getting fresh air, doing stuff, adding value. Yeah, it don't get any better. Right, I'll see you later. See you tomorrow, hopefully, if I get this down.
It's a mantra for my soul.